you do?
My name is Portia. I'm a direct care worker. And
so you're an essential worker. You still help a lot of people out. That's good. That's good.
Older people and younger people.
Oh, good.
AFC homes.
So I know you're busy. You know, you work all week.
All the time.
You work a lot, huh?
Monday through Friday. I don't get no off days except for the weekend.
So that brings me to my next questions, which is you probably have no time for beauty, no time for, or do you?
No, I don't. So it'd be like I get up, get the kid, make breakfast, and they dad already be off at work, and I'll like get my day started, get ready for work, go ahead and go to work, throw my hair up in a ponytail. Even if I know I got to do it the weekend, I throw it up in a ponytail. So it's like I'm not really having no time to get myself together. If I put my lashes on, it's when I get to work.
So if you had the time, would beauty be a big part of your life, or what does beauty really mean to you?
It's more like inner and outer. But sometimes I'll be looking like now I was like, oh, I look a hot mess. But then I got time to myself now, getting ready for my best friend party. But it's like, to me, it's a big thing because I know everybody like to look nice. Females and males, but it's a big part to me. Like I like to look nice. So
well, I'm glad to hear that, because a lot of women don't really know what beauty means to them. A lot of women, don't even touch it.
Or some people don't care.
And that's why I want to just tap into that a little bit more, because beauty is so much fun. It makes me feel so good. So have you ever had full glam other than me? I know I've done your makeup before, but do you get glammed up often?
No, only person I let do is me. I mean, only person I let do my makeup is you, right?
Right.
No, I don't let nobody else do it.
All right, so what look are we going for today then? What are we enhancing today?
Like, I want to get like around here, like focus more like over here, like the part that I told you about, the color I'm wearing. For this part, but more like with the makeup like all up in this area.
Nice full coverage.
Right, like that. Not too much.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, well, I'm ready. Thank you so much for sharing. And again, I just want to see what every woman's sort of like perspective on it, because every woman don't like makeup, and that's totally fine, So I don't want to force anything, but I just want you to just embrace this session, and let's just get into this beat.
Okay, I'm ready, y'all.
I'm ready. check you out.
Ooh, look, I see up close now.
Oh my God.
I love this, Maggie. Look.
So pretty.
Oh, I do love it. Look, I ain't see it up close. I've been looking in the camera trying to be nosy.
Ooh, ooh, uh-oh. They ready
I like
for
this.
you.
Just my hair and my
Oh my God.
I love this makeup.
Glow.
This is pretty, y'all.
Get into my camera for me.
Y'all see this now? Y'all see me before. Now this is me now. Just gotta get my hair and stuff together.
Is your mom?
But
Lots of pictures. I really love it all.